Mga kaibigan, finally nakarating na ho tayo dito ngayon from church, no? Kasi pumasok ho tayo at we are to church now as a Seventh-day Adventist. Our race of the among all the weeks that we have is Saturday. And then from the church we are going to, at have you seen in my previous video, not an hour ago, that's we go to Chowking to eat a delicious meal, Chowking mga kaibigan. And after that we are going to have a kalibangon, and then we shall go afterwards mga kaibigan. Then after natin pagdating dito, we come in our home, and then our order from TikTok, which is shirataki dried rice that no need to cook, it's finally arrived, no mga kaibigan, from the riders. So ito ang shirataki rice dried, no? Shirataki dried rice, no need to cook but only to soak. So mga kaibigan, as of now, we tried that Mrs. is boiling water for this mga kaibigan. Shirataki rice, it's all about 349, not including the shipping, but including the shipping, it's all about 400, I think mga kaibigan. So shirataki rice is no need to cook but only to soak of this. So we are going to witness right now, but this time, so I finally, it is from Squirrel, Mr. Squirrel, no mga kaibigan. Shirataki dried rice is no need to cook but only to soak. Zero in fat, no, and calories, mga kaibigan. It is only for 1 kilo shirataki rice. So shirataki dried rice, ingredients, flavor, it is kogjak flour mga kaibigan, and it is from the food productions number, no, it is a license. So it is manufactured by just say, what do you mean is this? Parang Chinese, no? Manufacturer Chenchuan, Chenchuan Dui Agricultural Technology mga kaibigan. So try to research about the shirataki rice, no? Ito po ay mainam sa mga katulad dun sa amin na nagda-diet ho mga kaibigan. Shirataki rice, medyo kamahalan lang po, but okay naman siya, di ba? Ito nasa mga isang buwan na ho ito. It is because we have only one rice a day, shirataki rice, and also I have ordered a brown rice, and then I need to experience for the almost 60 to 70,000 one sacks of rice. That's I have to experience that kinds of rice, in which it is the most not the most expensive, but one of the most expensive here in the country, here in the Philippines mga kaibigan. I ordered that, but did not arrive pa, no? Hindi pa siya dumadating dito mga kaibigan. So try to experience, we need to experience an experience of shirataki rice, no? Shirataki dried rice mga kaibigan. So we need to cut, no, from the top of his kaibigan, in order to gain the entry. You need to break the close the door. Yon, naka-ziplock siya. Parang normal rice lang siya mga kaibigan. Yo. No? And then we have a bowl. And we have on this. It is my first time to experience this mga kaibigan. Mga kalahati lang dito. Kasi ang lalaki po niya. No? It is a Japanese cup. Yo. Hindi siya masigo. Kailangan siya og yon. Yon. Makikita nyo. Yan sa loob. We need to soak this in the hot water. The boiled hot water. So, ito na. Hindi siya, no? Nasa 1/4 lang. Hindi siya nakakalahati. Yan. Lagay natin dito sa maliit na bowl. Yan. Kung ano po yung nailagay natin na rice is ganun lang po. It is the very hot water. Yon. Shirataki rice. You need to soak on this. Yan. Lalagay na natin. Takpan. And then mag-wait lang tayo for minutes. It's around 0:04 or 1 o'clock and 11. Sabi is all about 10 to 15 minutes, mga kaibigan. So as of now, it is the first experience to soak a shirataki dried rice, mga kaibigan. And then we witness in this. Mainam po ito sa mga nagda-diet. It is because wala siyang calories at fat, mga kaibigan. No sugar. Antay-antay pa tayo. It's around nasa 5 minutes pa lang. Nasa 7 minutes na ho tayo, mga kaibigan. Malapit na. Malapit ng mag 10 minutes, no, mga kaibigan. Finally ngayon, makaka-experience tayo ng shirataki dried rice. Higda sa takay. Just to snip. Lugay pa. Shirataki natin. Nasa 9 minutes pa. So, nasa 10 minutes na, mga kaibigan. Buksan na natin to para makita nyo. Shirataki dried rice. No need to cook but only to soak in the hot water. Sharang. Yo, mga kaibigan. Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila. Yan. Oh. Finally, mga kaibigan, ito na. Pwede na kainin. Ha? Normal rice lang siya. Yo. So, tapos naman ho tayong kumain, tinitikman lang ho natin ang shirataki. Dapat siya, kung medyo kunti lang, nasa 10 minutes lang. Salamat, yo!